Good morning, students. Your Ranjana ma'am is back here with the science lessons of class 4. Students, I have done 6 chapters video and your half yearly is knocking at the door. So, let's do a brief revision of the chapters. And I will go very fast. I will just give you a few word meanings, fill in the blanks, true and false, and you find it out from your book and you can learn it, or you can do revision as I have done. Number 1, word meanings. Balanced diet. You know it? A diet that contains all the nutrients in the amounts needed to keep the body healthy and strong. It's there in your book, so I am going very fast, students. Number 2, nutrient. A substance in food that is needed for proper growth and development of the body. Number 3, preserving. Keep something unspoiled. Number 4, cavity. A decayed part of a tooth that could look like a hole. Number 5, dentist. A doctor who takes care of your teeth. Number 6, bile. The digestive juice secreted by the liver which helps to digest fats. Number 7, bowel movement. The act of throwing out undigested waste through the anus. Number 8, creeper, a plant which grows along the ground. Number 9, photosynthesis, the process by which plants prepare their own food from carbon dioxide and water. Number 10, transpiration, the process by which plants give out excess water through the stomata. Number 11, adaptation, a special characteristic of a living thing that helps it to live in a specific habitat. Number 12, habitat, the natural home of a living thing where it lives and grows. Number 13, estivation, the long sleep of an animal during the hot season. Number 14, webbed feet, the feet that have the toes connected by thin skin. Number 2, name the following. The organ where digestion of proteins begin. It's stomach. The organ that produces bile, liver. The part of the plant that grows above the soil, shoot system. Breathing organs of fish, gills. The long winter sleep of animals, hibernation. The process by which plants use carbon dioxide to produce food, photosynthesis. The partially digested food in the stomach, chyme. Number 3, match the following. Left hand side, enamel. Right hand side, it will be the hardest substance in the body. Number cavity, a hole in the tooth caused by the activity of germs. Lotus, a fixed water plant. Terrestrial, plants that grow on land. Bud, becomes a flower. Calcium, healthy bones and teeth. Leaf, makes food for the plant. Root, holds the fixes plant to the soil. So I hope you know this. I have given you for your revision. Number 4, fill in the blanks. 2 important minerals needed by our body are iron and calcium. Butter and oil are rich sources of fats. There are 2 sets of teeth, temporary and permanent. There are 3 layers in each tooth, the enamel, dentine and pulp. The premolars are absent in a 7-year-old child. The digestion of food begins in the mouth. The food pipe is also called the esophagus. The kidneys are found in the abdominal cavity. Carrots store food in their roots. Stems which are hard and thick are called trunks. Aquatic plants can be floating, fixed or underwater plants. The Venus flytrap is an insectivorous plant. You can also write the bladderwort or the pitcher plant. Plants that grow in marshlands are called mangroves. The natural home of a living thing where it lives and grows is called its habitat. Dolphins and whales breathe through lungs. Penguins and turtles have flippers. True and false I have not given. You can easily understand by reading the question whether the statement will be true or false. Now answer the following questions. Name the organs of the digestive system. Here the answers I have not given. You practice these questions. The answers are there in your copy if you have copied it down from this video. Define excretion. Name the organs of the excretory system. You have to also practice the diagram. Number 3, list 5 steps that we should take to maintain healthy digestive and excretory system. Number 4, what are the 2 main parts of a plant? Practice the diagram, the root system and the shoot system. Write 3 functions of roots. Mention 4 products we get from plants. How are plants able to survive in desert conditions? Why do some trees shed all their leaves at one time? What are insectivorous plants? Explain the adaptation seen in an insectivorous plant. Birds are built to fly. Justify this statement. List 3 adaptations seen in aquatic animals. How can you take care of your pets? Distinguish between climbers and creepers. Students, learn these answers nicely so that you can write in your exam well. So much for today. All the best for your exams. Thank you and have a nice day.